In this video, we will learn how to install WPS Office on Windows 11. So let us see. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type WPS Office and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website wps.com. Click free download. The download started. Let's wait. The exe file downloaded. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Select the license agreement. Click install now. Now it will download first. Guys, we have successfully installed it. You can directly click here, or you can also click the desktop shortcut. I'll click get started. So we opened WPS Office for the first time. From here you can directly click docs so that you can open a Word doc. Now click blank. So here a document is visible like Microsoft Word. You can also go to home and here you can click for slides like PPT, for sheets like Excel, and this is for PDF. So in this way guys, we can easily download and install WPS Office. For free tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.